So in this video, you'll learn how to connect your wireless PS5 controller to your Samsung Galaxy A36. So the first step is to open the settings app. Then you want to select connections, and under connections, you want to tap on Bluetooth. Ensure that Bluetooth is currently enabled on your Galaxy A36. Once you've confirmed that it's been enabled, it's now time to put your PS5 controller in pairing mode. So to do that, you need to press on the PS5 button you currently see here, as well as the share button just at the top on the left hand side. So you want to press, and then just press on them like that until you see the indicator light blinking a blue color. So wait for it to start blinking, and then once it starts blinking like that, it means that it's successfully put in pairing mode. So from here, you then want to come back to your Bluetooth settings on your A36, and you want to tap on scan so that it can be detected in the list of available devices. Once it's been detected, you then want to select it to start establishing the pairing process. Confirm that you wish to pair, and then it should say connected, and now you can see an cursor on your screen to show that it's been connected successfully. So you can use any of the joystick or the buttons to navigate through your phone. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.